Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore how to center elements in a Google Drawing. So notice I've moved my word art down and towards the right. I'm going to show you a couple of different ways that you can center that element in this Google Drawing. First, I have to select it. If I go to Arrange and I find Center on Page, I'll have two choices, horizontally and vertically. So if I center it horizontally, notice it doesn't move up or down. It doesn't move it to the center of the page. It only centers it horizontally. Or if I choose vertically, then it centers it vertically, top to bottom, but it still didn't move it horizontally this time. All right. But if I want it in the center of the drawing, once I have it selected, I can just center horizontally and follow that by centering vertically, and now that element actually is in the center of the drawing.